I want to show you the CRM system inside of ClickFunnels. It's probably one of the most underrated features that ClickFunnels has going on right now. And a lot of people don't even know how to use it or that it's even there. So let's jump into my computer real quick and I'm going to show you. Of your funnel, of your ClickFunnels dashboard, you should see the apps for appointments. They all have the CRM indication right there. And then you have Message Hub, and then you have opportunities. So appointments is just what it looks like. It's just a calendar. You can create calendars inside calendar events, and people can actually go, and click on it, enter their info, and book a spot on your calendar. And then from there, you can have them enter workflows or have them go on your opportunity boards if you want to send them messages, if you want to send them emails. All that is capable through Message Hub. And then the opportunities board kind of shows you where everybody is, and I'm going to show you that just right now. So if somebody wants to set an appointment, let me just look at this. So event types, and we're just going to preview the booking page for my 15-minute consult. All right, let me move my face out of the way. So it's pretty simple. They can come and pick the day. You can set the parameters inside the event of like how many days in advance they can book. I did about 10. So if they want to pick that day, they're just going to pick this, going to click confirm. They got to put their name, email, name, and phone number. And then you could add, if you wanted to, you could add guests or additional info. And also you can add different questions from inside the calendar event. So you can create those. And then once they book I'll have in my automations, what'll happen is they'll come to my opportunities board, right? So if somebody books a calendar event with me for the 15-minute consult, if somebody books with me for a 15-minute consult like I had, this would be my opportunities board. And again, let me move my face out of the way. So a new lead, as soon as they book, it's going to come in here. Or for a free, if I had a free opt-in. So it might come there, and actually if they book, it's going to come right here, right? So it tells me who they are. And then when it comes for time for the appointment, they could be a no-show. If they're no-show, I'll move them over here. Okay, they didn't show up. And then I have an automation right here. This signals an automation, and you just set that by clicking on it, and you can give it different commands. But then this will just trigger the workflow. So I have a workflow automation set. So every time that I move a contact or a prospect over to this no-show, an automation will fire. Or if they made the appointment, I would put them here. And then if they went on to further and booked a paid call, I would add them over here. Or this is another automation that I have for my OFA, my One Funnel Away Challenge offer. I'm going to put them back over there. And then, or if they purchase, so, as you can see, you can move people around wherever you want to go over here on the opportunities board. And then the other thing is the Message Hub. So if you want to send messages, you can do it right through the Message Hub. It's really cool because you can connect all your social, all your emails, everything, your website, text assistant, or whatever you want to call it, your text widget, your chat widget. It all will come right here, and then you can actually message everybody right from here. So you can have emails, you can do Facebook. I have my Facebook connected, and then, or you can have one on your site. So everything can come right here. So instead of like messaging people on different platforms, you can do all your advertising, you can do all your marketing, and then all the contacts, everybody that messages you can come right here to Message Hub. There's a little bit of a setup for that, and what you do is you just follow the instructions right here. So once you click on Message Hub, it'll all be right here. So if you don't have these in your ClickFunnels, the best way that you can do that is you got to click on the plus right next to the apps, and then it'll tell you all the apps, the different apps that you can add or that you've added. So I've already added all these. The only other one would be an affiliate center, discounts, or the store. I'll probably add that eventually. But you can see all the different apps that I've already added. So that's a really good feature. If you don't have that set up, like I said, just come over here, click on the button, get the apps, pick the app that you want, and go through the prompts that it will tell you to set everything up. I hope you liked that video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. If you want to book a free 15-minute consultation with me about ClickFunnels, link is in the description as well. Just go ahead and click that link and schedule an appointment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.